Hey, what's up guys? So I'm just posting this quick video to announce my Maonocaster giveaway. I am giving away a Maonocaster Lite S4 bundle kit 100% for free. I'm paying for the shipping and everything. This is it right here. It's completely unopened, brand new. Maono actually sent me this for free so that I could give it away to one of you guys, and it even comes in this special holiday packaging. I did a full in-depth review of the Maonocaster Lite a little while back, and right now I'm actually recording this using my Maonocaster Lite, and on Amazon it is going for $154.99, so you definitely don't want to miss out on this giveaway, and I'm going to tell you guys how to enter in a second. So first of all, if you are entering this giveaway, please be located in the United States. Unfortunately, you will have to be located in the United States to enter this giveaway. If someone wins the giveaway and they live outside of the United States, I'm going to have to pick a new winner. Also, please be at least 18 years old or older, or have permission from a parent or guardian to enter this giveaway. And now let's get into the details of how to actually enter the giveaway. So I am posting this video on Monday, December 13th, 2021. The deadline for giveaway entries will be Friday, December 24th, 2021. And I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway on Monday, December 27th, 2021. And the way you're going to enter this giveaway is make sure that you are following me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias. And on my Instagram page, I am going to post a picture of the thumbnail from this video. In the comments of that picture, tag one friend, and that's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. Everyone who tags one of their friends will be entered into the giveaway. So that's all you have to do, guys. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and also tag your friend. Once again, if anybody is interested in checking out my full review of the Maonocaster Lite, I'll go ahead and leave the link down in the description below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell notifications button, and make sure that you are following me on Instagram if you would like to enter this giveaway. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.